Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
If you have a subscription to QuickBooks Time with QuickBooks Online Plus, either directly or through a QuickBooks payroll subscription, Intuit recommends you enter the time into that separate application and then import it to QuickBooks Online for the most accurate time tracking. Before you record timesheet data in QuickBooks Time, you should ensure you set the desired QuickBooks Time timesheet preferences to make sure you record the data you need for QuickBooks Online within your timesheets. To open QuickBooks Time, if you have a subscription through QuickBooks Online, click the Time link in the navigation bar. Then click the Launch QuickBooks Time button in the overview page that appears to the right to open a new browser window that shows the QuickBooks Time application. To set your QuickBooks Time timesheet preferences, click the QuickBooks or QuickBooks Payroll button in the toolbar at the top of the QuickBooks Time window to show a drop-down menu of commands. Then click the Preferences command in the drop-down menu to open the Preferences window. Note that changes in this window are applied as soon as you make them. In the Timesheet Should Show section, check or uncheck the Customers and Subcustomers, Service Items, Billable Yes/No choice, and Class checkboxes to show or hide each feature in the timesheet. To require the Billable Yes/No choice, if you check the Billable Yes/No choice checkbox, check the Require Billable Yes/No choice checkbox. To import contractors as team members, check the Import Contractors as Team Members checkbox in the Other Options section. To access the Payroll Item Mapping tool, if you need to choose which payroll items are used for straight time, overtime, and vacation time, click the Payroll Item Mapping Tool button in the Other Options section to open a window where you can make these changes and save them to apply them. To get a notification when a time entry doesn't sync to QuickBooks, ensure the Tell Me When a Time Entry Doesn't Sync to QuickBooks checkbox is checked. To close the Preferences window when you are finished, click the X button in its upper right corner.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.